Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about why developers cry. Nah, I'm just kidding. Today I want to show you my Fly Scoreboard plugin that for OBS Studio that allows you to create all kind of scoreboards for various type of sports, from simple scoreboards with just a few parameters to advanced scoreboards with multiple timers and all kind of effects that are based on scores and timers. Before we go any further, guys, please, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment below with what you would like to see in my OBS Studio resources. Okay, without further ado, let's hop into downloading the plugin and setting up the first overlay. Okay, uh, you will find my portfolio in the video description. Here you can download all my plugins and scripts for OBS Studio. Okay, if you scroll down below, you will see the Fly Scoreboard plugin and just click on download. Then wait for a lifetime. Now let's just download the zip archive for the latest version. Right now it's version 3.0. Okay, so I'm working on Windows, so let's download the Windows one. Save it anywhere on your disk and open up the archive. Here you'll have a Fly Scoreboard folder with a bin and a data folder. Let's go with the bin first. Open the 64-bit and copy the DLL. Okay, and let's just open another folder. Then locate the OBS Studio installation. Go to OBS plugins, 64-bit, and just drag the plugin there. Okay, now in the root folder, what I usually like to do is create a plugin data folder where I will store all the resources for any plugin that requires external resources. And in my plugin data, if I go back to archive, I just copy the overlay folder from the data. So just copy the overlay. And in the overlay, you will have a few default things, with the most important one, the script.js. This is the templating system for all scoreboards that you can create later on by editing the style and the index.html. Okay, now that we have the plugin setup in place, we can just restart OBS Studio. And now that we are back, under the docs, you should see the Fly Score doc. If you click on it, you will see something like this. By default, you won't have anything in here, because what we have to do is now click on Set Resources folder, then go to your installation folder, plugin data, or wherever else where you saved your overlay folder, select it, and click Select Folder. And now we already have our basic scoreboard. What we can do now is open up the browser source and let's just modify it to 980 to just make it full HD. And there we go. We have our first scoreboard in place. Now, if I go and edit the points, as you can see, everything is updating here. Now, let's open up Teams. Let's set up home, test home. Let's choose red for the color, and away, test guests, and let's make it lime green, something like that. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, save and close, and we have our teams. Now, if I go and swap home with guest or show and hide scoreboard, you'll see it reacts almost instantly. If I go to timers, by default, you will have a first half, but you can set it to um, match timer. We want to count, uh, let's count up and hit OK. And we have the match timer there. And if I click play, the timer starts. Okay, let's pause it. And as you can see, it's also updating in the dock. So whenever you click play again, it continues. This feature helps in case OBS Studio is closing and you restart, then it will just go straight from where it was left. Okay? And the most important part, the stats. Here we can add custom, hit OK, and voila, we have the custom field here. And we can update the points for home and away. These custom stats can also help you in case you want to only show, I don't know, the round, for example, and you can just play with either home or the guest pointing system. That's pretty much it for the setup. Now let's get into the hotkeys. Whenever you add a new stat, for example, we have added the custom, you can toggle the points, toggle the visibility, and let's set the points for home to Control N9, hit K, and now if I press Control N9, you can see the points are automatically updating. So this makes the plugin very friendly if you are using a Stream Deck. Okay, that's pretty much it about the keywords, key shortcuts. Sorry. And here, if you click on reset, your points reset to the default. Now, if you want to go pro, you can just click here and it will open the overlay folder. And if you open up the HTML, you will see something interesting. If you work with Angular or any other type of frameworks, you will understand how the templating system here works. This allows you to create various types of scoreboards with advanced features based on, for example, team X means home, team Y means away, and fields XY is basically an array of fields. And for home, this is the points for home. And if I put here Y, then I will have the points for away. So it's kind of intuitive. You have here everything you need to know for creating custom overlays for these scoreboards. And for the CSS and everything else is just at your responsibility. All you have to do is load up the script.js. This is reading the data from the doc and creates these beautiful templates that you can use inside the HTML file. So that's pretty much it about the new version. If you already downloaded the previous version, you will see I have dropped the dependency for the local web server. It is making the plugin a little easier to work with because it's not interfering with other kind of data in OBS Studio. So if you are using multiple of my plugins, for example, if you want to use the Fly Scoreboard with the smart lower thirds, you'd have to use different ports to create various local web servers, but this way you just plug and play. So this is it with the new version of the Scoreboard plugin. I tried to put everything in place to make it easier, to have more space here, just in case you add multiple timers and stats. And overall, it's just a more clean overlay. So thank you again for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy my releases. And again, please, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and write a comment below to tell me what you think about what I'm doing. And also, you can suggest what things you like to see in my OBS Studio plugins. So, see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.